In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan with your Brother MFC J1260w printer. For the copy, we simply need to open the lid, place a page facing down on the corner. You will see the arrow mark here. Close it. For the copy, there are two buttons. Black is here, color is here. So press it once and it will start the copy process. Paper output tray is here. That is the copy. Let's do the printing and scanning. For printing, we need to connect this printer with a smartphone, MacBook or laptop. Right now I'm just going to use my smartphone. Select any document to print. And click on the print button. This will also give you an idea how long it takes for copy, print and scan. And if you want to know how to connect your printer with your smartphone, you can watch my video on the Wi-Fi setup of this printer and then you can just start using it. Let's do the scanning. First we will go to the app section, go back. Scan option is here, so we can click on the scan. Now place a page for the scanning. Again, the scanning page should be facing down on this corner. And then click on the scan icon. That is here. Scan is done. If you want to add more pages and you want to scan the multiple pages, then you can just open the lid, place the second page facing down and then go to the app and click on the add pages. This way you can add more pages for the scanning. And if you want, you can add more pages, and then once you are done, click on the option on the top and then we can just check the scanning result. Now you can save it. Allow. So it is saved in the smartphone. Now go back. That's the copy, print and scan with this printer. Thanks for watching.